Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be tattooing my own brows, sort of. I'm actually trying out the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint for the first time. So I picked up one of each of the four colours, which are the grey brown, the light brown, the medium brown and dark brown. I will do swatches on my arm of all four shades and show you the colour when it's setting, I guess, once the gel's on there, and after you peel it off, what the colour looks like for each of these four. I've done it previously on my arm. I have never used it on my eyebrows, and to be honest, I am a little bit nervous. Yeah, so these are the four shades. From what I could tell, I'm somewhere in between light and medium, so I'm going to go with the light shade because at the moment my hair is quite red and that has more of a reddish orange undertone. The others are slightly cooler or more brown. So I'm going to do the light on myself, but we'll see how it goes. So the directions say to apply it. It sounds simple enough. Let it dry for at least 20 minutes and then peel it off. So first I'm going to do the swatches on my arm. So that is the grey brown gel. The next shade is the light brown shade, which is the one I'm going to be doing on my own brows today. And I'll just do the swatch first. So that's the colour of the gel. Next is the medium brown. Colours do change once you've peeled off the actual gel itself. It is a fair bit lighter than what they look like here, so don't freak out too much if you are worried once you apply the gel. The last one is the dark brown shade, and so that'll be the fourth and final swatch. Down the bottom there. So while my swatches are drying, I'm now going to apply the light brown shade to my own brows, and I am actually quite nervous. So I've got my little mirror so I can try to at least get some of the application on camera for you all. I'm actually really nervous, so we'll see how it goes. I just want to get the shape right. I might get a spoolie quickly and just spoolie my eyebrows into a shape that I can try to follow. Okay, I'm just going to zoom you in for the application. I'll try to get it as much as I can on camera. Let's see how we go. So I've got the light brown. I'm so nervous. It's kind of silly. All right, here we go. Feels a bit tacky. It's a very odd feeling. It's not too bad to control. Difficult to talk while doing it. And I'll just work towards the middle. Oh, I'm actually really quite nervous. Hopefully that's a decent enough shape. It's pretty much just following my natural brow. I don't even know if these are sisters. My brows are more like second cousins. That'll do. That will do. Let's... Oh, I'm so nervous. So now I wait 20 minutes at least for it to dry before peeling it off. I'm not a great drawer. I I'm not great at doing my brows. The shape of my brows isn't terrific to start off with. So I'm a little bit nervous. It just looks... Oh, I'm a little nervous. Only because I'm terrible at doing my brows. If you're good at, you know, filling in your brows with pencil or whatever, and getting a good shape, or you've got a better shape to start off with, it might be okay. We'll see. Oh, I'll see you back in 20 minutes. So I will peel off my arm swatches because the gel's actually already coming off them anyway. So this top one was the grey brown. And as you can see, it's really quite easy to peel it off. This next one is light brown. And that's the one I'm actually using on my brows at the moment. So we will see how that goes. This one is medium brown. And the last one is dark brown. Those are the 4 shades. You have grey brown, light brown, medium brown, and dark brown. So it's been between 20 and 30 minutes, and it does say to leave it on for at least 20 minutes. So I've done that, and now we're up to the part where I guess I see how it turned out. So I've got my little mirror here, and I'm going to peel it back and see how it looks. It is actually starting to lift off already. It looks really dark underneath. And this is the light brown one too. So it's not pulling at my hair or anything, so that's good. There's a few bits sort of sticking to my brow hair, but it's not hard to get off. Alright, so that's one done. It actually doesn't look too bad. It's not too bad. I might just get the spoolie and go through it to get... Yeah, that works. Okay, so that's the first one done. Now the second one. This one doesn't seem to have a definite beginning. Oh, there we go. Alright. There we go. So a little bit got stuck to that one as well, but it's not terrible. So again, I'm just going to go in with the spoolie. Just kind of clean it up a bit. So that is what it looks like. So this is what my brows look like after I've peeled off the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. They're not too bad, I have to say. I was quite worried, but they don't look too bad for a first attempt as well, and for somebody who is really not great at drawing on brows. I'm not disappointed with this one. I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how well it worked, and I think the colour match is alright considering my hair is quite red. So as far as the light shade goes, I think if you didn't want something this warm, you don't really have many options. So you've got grey, light brown, medium brown, dark brown. But there's not really anything super light. I don't mind them. What do you think? Have you used the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint? What was your experience? Did you like it? Did you not? Yeah, I think I like it. I think I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I probably would recommend it. They are a bit expensive though in Australia. but I did get these at half price at Priceline. So if you can find your colour and buy it on sale, then definitely I would recommend it. Overseas, I do think it is cheaper. So if you do find your colour and have a colour that matches what you want, and you only want something temporary, then definitely give it a go. It's a bit of fun at the very least, and you might surprise yourself and turn out with something not so shabby. So I like it, I would recommend it, and I probably will use it again. I guess practice will make perfect, hopefully, with the shape, and maybe I can make my cousins look a little bit more like sisters. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Also, if you've used the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint, let me know what your experience was and leave a comment down below letting me know. Again, I hope you found this entertaining. I hope it helped some of you at least. And yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.